Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a Jeep Liberty window off track. First, gather your tools, including screwdrivers and a trim removal tool. You will need these to carefully remove the door panel. Once the panel is off, you can access the window mechanism. Take a moment to inspect the window regulator and track for any obvious damage or disconnected parts. This initial check helps identify the problem quickly. Now, let's pinpoint the exact issue. First, test the window motor to see if it's still working. Listen for any sounds when you press the switch. Next, carefully examine the window regulator. Often, the problem is caused by broken clips or detached cables. Also, confirm that the window glass itself is correctly seated within its channels. Misalignment here is a common culprit. Once you've identified the problem, it's time for the repair. If cables are loose, reattach them securely. For broken regulator clips, replacement is usually the best option. You can often find repair kits online or at auto parts stores. After any repairs, lubricate the window tracks with a silicone-based spray to ensure smooth operation. Always test the window's movement thoroughly before putting the door panel back on. Finally, it's time to reassemble everything. Carefully reattach the door panel, making sure all electrical connections are secure and the clips snap into place. Once the panel is back on, test the window multiple times, raising and lowering it completely to confirm proper function. This ensures your repair is successful and the window stays on track. Also, for an amazing home upgrade, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.